it's Jane, and it's time for another round of creative mischief. And this time we're going off on an art venture for August. So every day this month I've got a prompt inspired by famous artworks, museums, and some of my favourite master painters. But of course, there's a twist. These aren't your dry, dusty art history lessons. That's not the intention. These are cheeky, joyful, imagination-stretching prompts where you get to jump into the painting if you want to. I mean, they're prompts, so you can approach them how you want. But you're going to be tiptoeing through the Tate Gallery after having been so entranced that you got locked in accidentally overnight. You might be bawling in front of the birth of Venus like I have. Yes, I've actually done it a few times. I'm very lucky. So why do I do these prompts? Well, sometimes I feel like the blank page can feel a bit intimidating, and the prompts take the pressure off having to think of something to do. They're to provide inspiration. They're a doorway to play, a permission to experiment, a reason to just show up and create something, that daily spark, that tiny little moment in your creativity. It all adds up and it all matters. Just like your art matters and you matter. Of course, you don't have to be perfect and you don't have to do all 31. You can do them out of order if you want to, although I think it's more fun to do them all in order. But this is just about playful art, being joyful, unpolished, feeling inspired again, about getting your sketchbook inky or colour pencil-y or pastel-y or painty, whatever you want to do. Just get your ideas flowing. So whether you draw or paint or collage or scribble or sparkle, there's no limits, and all of those are welcome. As long as you use just one Jane art supply, you can post it in our group. So I just want us to get messy and mythic and go museum hopping, and just from our desks we can have an art venture just with our art journals and ourselves. No masterpieces required, just fun. Now, because of the magic of computers, hang on, I forgot. I can actually put this up. Hang on. There. There are the prompts. Of course, they'll be up in the group. And if I remember, I'll put them on my blog. And I should have put that art venture up at the beginning of when I started talking. But, you know, solo creator. So we just deal with things as they happen. So that's all I wanted to share with you. I hope that you join in. We've also got Botticelli-esque starting on Sunday for some of you, Monday for others. I'm so crazily excited. I've just been so busy getting everything ready, getting the classroom all spick and span and beautiful, decorating, learning all about Botticelli and discovering just how deep this obsession with him goes with me. I think I've found, uncovered where it all kicked off, where it all started. I'll share that in the live stream on Thursday. And I've always wondered where the people that I draw, where they come from. Who are these people? And there's a philosophy or thought that we draw or paint ourselves, version of ourselves, and I think that is true. But I think I'm being visited by the same muses that came and visited Botticelli all those years ago. Was it 600, 400, whatever it is, hundreds of years ago. Hundreds of years old those paintings are, my gosh. So some of the fun prompts, you probably can't read them, they might be a bit small on that screen, but we're starting off with undulating in the Uffizi, which is a beautiful, it's not just got some gorgeous Botticellis in it, it's got lots of other things in there too. Oh, wait a minute, I'll do that. So we're starting off with undulating at the Uffizi, and then in the prompts I've got a little, just an idea of how I intend the prompt, what I was sort of thinking of when I've created the prompt, just to sort of help you along a little bit. So prompt 2 is bawling with the birth of Venus. Now you could even interpret that in a different way, B-A-L-L-I-N-G, bawling. But I'm bawling at the birth of Venus. So yes, when I went there last time, because I have been a few times, when I went there last time, I made sure I booked tickets for the first group of people that could get in, and I made sure I was there early, so I was the first in the queue, and I was in training, so because I knew there's a great big flight of stairs that you have to dash up, and so I was there. The doors opened. I didn't just bolt, but as politely as one can rush through a gallery, flew up those stairs so that I could just get a few minutes, just a moment or two with Venus in her clamshell. She's a hero and a half shell. She was the original. Yes, so anyway, that's bawling with Venus. This is where the prompts have come from. Okay, there's various others, tiptoeing through the Tate, lollygoggling at the Louvre. There's a lot of that. There are more paintings in there than just the Mona Lisa, but we forget about that. Sketching with Da Vinci. If you, I have to itch my nose, sorry, could have a little peep over his shoulder as he was drawing, what inventions do you think you might see him drawing down? I think that's a really fun prompt. You can go canning with Toulouse-Lautrec, one of my favourite artists. Oh, I love them so much. Oh, twisting with Ingres. In one of his over-the-shoulder poses with the long necks and the long backbones. We can pose with the muses of Gauguin, his beautiful Polynesian muses. Oh, those paintings are so beautiful. I don't think he was a very nice person. He doesn't sound like, but the paintings. So anyway, there's a lot of fun to be had. I've even got one in here for Kim, whose favourite painting is Woman with a Parasol by Monet. That is such a delightful painting. He didn't paint very many people, but when he did, they were gorgeous. So it's, I think it's Camille, his wife, and their son in that painting. And it's just hold tight to your parasol and let the wind ruffle your skirt. But you can approach all of these prompts however you see fit. Oh, wait a minute, I could make it fit there. Oh, I've even squeezed Laurencin in here, Marie Laurencin. Oh, I love her paintings. So again, this is for fun. If you are doing Botticelli-esque with me, which I certainly hope you are, the alumni discount's already built in if you join before the workshop kicks off. You can incorporate this in as part of what it is that we are doing in our lessons. So that's going to be an awful lot of fun because there'll be time to do all of this. Will I be doing live streaming every day? No, to draw all of these because I do have the workshop happening. But oh, who knows with me? You never know. Like my hair. You just never know what's going to happen next. So I hope that you decide to join into ARTventure and have a look through the prompts. You might want to dedicate a new little journal. You might want to create something especially for it. You might have an art history book that you could alter and add some watercolour gesso or gesso to and create on top of. So yeah, and I am now going to head off to life drawing. Because I can't wait. Oh yes, I do. I have to go and draw. Who knows what will be the adventure tonight. Something amazing will happen. no doubt. So please join in ARTventure with us. Like I said, you have to do the whole thing. We're not creating masterpieces. I just want you to create. That's the whole reason I do the prompts. That's the only reason. And yeah, come and join Botticelli-esque if you so desire. I'll leave the link below, and I will leave the prompts, of course, in their own thing, and hopefully I'll get to enjoy your artwork. Bye!